Everyone, welcome to Vasoul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so this is the reading for Libras. Okay, this is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so let's check it out how it goes. And it's like whatever you are going through currently, it's the situation you are going through. Okay, it might be related to your personal life or professional life. If you wish to enroll, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to uh, you know uh, order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. And if you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Libras current situation. Okay, so you have a very playful energy. You are focusing a lot on a lot of stability, finance, career, money. Something is ending, something is starting. The financial problems you had for so long is ending, and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, Libras. Okay, you're feeling very courageous in this lifetime, very much courageous. You're a very courageous person. There are a lot of delays happening. Okay, from last 4 months or so, a lot of delays are happening, and that's why you're worried or sad about thinking about the delays happened, or whatever delays or postpones are happening into you, whatever you decided, right? You have a very playful energy, very cheerful energy. That's very good. You're just being very silent and patient at the same time. Wow, you're just being very silent and patient. Okay, Libras, and you're just going with the flow. You are hoping for a major change into your financial life, like a major breakthrough, a major money related stuff you're waiting for. Kindly trust your intuition level. Sometimes you are very much confused and juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Kindly focus on your intuition level more. Okay, kindly trust your inner voice a lot. There's a lack of trust into a situation, that is what you feel. Okay, you feel that there are two people who are coming together, or two people at a distance, and physically or emotionally distant. Okay, so yeah. So Libras, two people might be at a distance, or there is a lot of love towards with your partner. I feel, a lot of love, expressing love, or a lot of love is there, but your partner or you doesn't show it much, or don't express much. Okay, it's like that. So yeah. Okay, so there is an honest communication needed. Okay, honest communication, a heart to heart communication related to something. Okay, there is a traveling, or exploring, or relocating is involved. Okay, sometimes I just feel that in the past you were just analyzing, thinking a lot, but this is the time where action you need to take. Okay, you need to take a lot of action. Okay, you need to have a lot of action. It's like, don't overthink. This is the time to take action towards something, either career or relationship. Okay, you feel very weak into a situation, Libras. Very, very, very weak. Wow. Yeah, something is ending, something is starting. If you are dealing with a court case, then it will be into your favor. Okay, so yeah, you're just being very practical now, not being very emotional now, very practical now. Okay. Okay, so there is a third party situation, involvement or interference is there, and you want to have a heart to heart communication either with your partner or with someone into the family. Okay, third party interference is there into a relationship, and that's why two people are at a distance, either emotionally or physically distant. Okay, so yeah, there's a devil energy. Okay, so you are being used, or you are being taken advantage, or you are being very possessive of someone, which is very bad. Okay, so stop being so overly possessive, or taking advantage of your partner if you are doing so. Okay, you have a devil energy, that's why. or there's a devil energy who is using you or taking advantage of you, and that's why it's like that. Okay, you are releasing a lot of confusion related to a person or a situation who is karmic to you. Okay, yeah, you're daydreaming about a lot about certain things, certain people, certain goals into your lifetime, how to achieve that goal, how to cross the obstacles, how to remove the problems, how to gain that particular aim or goal, okay, into your life. You're daydreaming about achieving a goal, about a certain wish, okay. You feel stuck into a situation, especially related to a third party involvement. You feel stuck, okay. So yeah, okay, so you feel that you are releasing a lot of I just feel that I just feel that you have to think wisely while spending money this month, okay. In the month of March, be wiseful of spending money, because I think you will be spending a lot without thinking also. So yes, and some of the Libras, if you are thinking to invest in a property, land or real estate, that will be good for you, okay. So do it. um okay, so there's an opportunity related to money which you want to grab, but that's not coming your way. Like it's coming like this, and it's turning and taking a U-turn like this. So that opportunity is being blocked right now universally. It is coming to your way, but it's in a very slow motion, okay. Not it will not be into a hurry mode, okay. That's the thing. Okay, you are very unclear about a situation related to a person or a relationship. There is a karmic cycle which needs to end. Now, the third party can be anyone. Okay, it can be in-laws, parents, or relatives, or it can be anyone. Okay, so the third party interference is there. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, universal message. Okay, universal message. What is the universal message for you, Libras? Okay, so we have got 6 messages. I will take all of it. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, I've got so many messages. Okay, so I'll read one on one. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the first universal message is the moment I embrace my peace within and surrender, the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. Wow. The second message, I honor how I want to feel. Wow. The third universal message, I am a spirit having a human experience and I am here to get closer to love. Wow. Fourth, my vibes speaks louder than my words. Nice. The next universal message is, when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. No matter what, universe is supporting you, and trust the universe, okay. It is meant to happen. Even if you don't want something to happen, it will happen, right? So let it go. Let just go with the flow. Let go of the things, okay. You just do your work. That's it. Oneness too is my true nature. Wow, you just focus on yourself, self love and self care, because if you haven't done that, the universe will block your energies. It should not be like that, okay. The last message, when I lean towards love, I am led. Wow, this is the best universal message I ever got, okay. This two are very new universal messages for me. It never comes in the reading. This is for the first time it comes, which is very, very good. Self love and self care is important, and when you focus on love, you will create more love within yourself also and for others also, okay. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you, Libras. If it doesn't, kindly check out the YouTubers. Bye bye, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care, love you all.